Uses and disadvantages of injection oxytocin for milk extraction. Role of oxytocin. Oxytocin is a Greek word that means ease, comfort, and speed of birth. Oxytocin is a hormone naturally released by the brain during labor or childbirth that stimulates the uterus to dilate and contract. In addition, when the milk-feeding baby hits the nipples, oxytocin is released and stimulates the secretory tissues of the mammary gland to release the milk into the nipples. The presence of 8 amino acids in oxytocin makes it a protein-like hormone that travels from the point of release through the blood to the place of need. The main function of this hormone is to control the expansion and contraction of the uterine muscles during delivery by injecting sodium ions into the muscles and push the baby into the birth canal to complete the delivery process quickly and easily. In addition, the purpose of this hormone is to release milk into the udder by creating tension in the muscles and cells found around the ducts that produce milk. Use of oxytocin. Unfortunately, this injection is easily available without any doctor's prescription in every small general store or grocery store in every village of Pakistan without any problem. People's understanding of this injection can be estimated from the fact that those who don't know its name can get it from the shopkeeper by calling it a milk removal, pasmava, or shunting injection. The main reason for this is that the common people know the temporary benefit in ignorance of the later losses. Greed for more milk, reducing the time and ease of milking, saving the milk of cows and calves, but unfortunately, most of the people are not aware of the harms of this injection to human health as well as animals. Damages of oxytocin on animals. First of all, the use of this injection in animals in the morning and evening makes the milking process painful, because the uterus shrinks and expands with its use, which in itself is a painful process, therefore it is a non-useful method. Uterus contraction in the morning and evening due to indiscriminate use of this injection will eventually cause sterility in the animal, from which normal animals to well-bred buffaloes or cows are deprived of the ability to give birth and are sold for meat. The normal life of the animal is also reduced by the indiscriminate use of this hormone. Losing the ability of the animal to give birth more often is also due to this hormone, because the indiscriminate use of oxytocin disturbs the balance of the hormone in animals. This injection also leads to mastitis because the hormonal imbalance causes damage to the cells that maintain the composition of milk, which results in mastitis. Apart from this, the balance of the animal's breath, the small size of the udders are also an indication of the excess of this injection. Effects of oxytocin on human health. After entering the human body with milk, this hormone affects human health in a bad way. This milk extracted from oxytocin also disturbs the balance of hormones in the human body. According to the biggest research of this balance disorder, after this scientific invention, the age of puberty of girls has decreased from 16 years to 10 years. In young boys, gynecomastia means female-like bulges on the chest of teenage boys. In addition, the weak eyesight of young children. Growth of hair on the face and other parts of the body at a young age. Not feeling strong in the body and feeling weak all the time are also effects of oxytocin. Congenital defects, severe lack of immunity and excessive bleeding during delivery in the child, born from the use of this milk by pregnant women are also symptoms of this injection milk. All these damages are a small sample of the health problems of humans and animals. But in reality, these damages can be much more due to slow poisoning and hormone disturbances. There is another role of this hormone in our body. When a boy and a girl meet, the hormone that our brain releases to attract them to mating is this oxytocin hormone, which keeps the feelings and emotions awake during mating. For this reason, this hormone is medically called the love hormone of our body.